Yeah, y'all. World of fireworks. This is vlog session. This is vlog season. Y'all see it. This is vlog season, baby.
Oh, it ain't nothing like old school music. I'm sorry. That music makes you feel good. Love and happy. And the one on the bed. Right. That's crazy. I ain't have a...
Beautiful place, man. We doing for the Memmorial over here. You heard? Blow it up. We gonna blow up everything. Been here with wifey and my sister, man. Get some fireworks later. I gotta go to work, so you know, I'm working again now. Get some bombs, I'll blow up some stuff, cook out some food. Same old thing. You know how we do. But you know, just chilling. Everything. We gonna have us a good time later. Ain't that right, sis? We gonna have us a good time later. We gonna cook. We gonna have alcohol. We gonna eat. We gonna blow stuff up.
Blow it up.
We gonna blow stuff up. This place is awesome.
You was getting something else?
No, that's it. Cause she said the cannon come in here. That's all I need.
Yeah, all our mortars have cannons.
Right.
They all do. You can't get them without one.
Oh, okay. It don't make no sense, right? Yeah, they come with. Yeah.
And then all the stuff. Yeah. See, there's one.
Yes, ma'am.
And if you.
How many shots it got? Come with it?
This one has 6 shots.
Cool.
And you could save the tube, and then and if you ever get more, then you got more than one tube. So.
Right.
But you do know to put in one at a time.
Oh yeah, we're gonna put 2. That's dangerous.
Well, you know, if you put 2 in, just like the top
one could go in the other way, yeah, or one could throw the other one out.
What happens is the whole thing blows up.
Oh yeah, we don't.
We've had people come in here and want to. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you can sweet.
I want to know why it blows up, and they put it.
I'm just logging.
Okay, you got 50.
Yeah, I'm a vlogger, so I do that. I'm a YouTube vlogger, baby.
Okay, and then this here is too like them, then your fingers are farther away.
Oh, okay.
And if you can put it out and restart it, but it'll.
So that's like a what now?
We call it a punk stick, but it's an incense actually.
Oh, wow.
Use an incense will do the same thing.
Cool. Let me see.
Yeah, you can put it. You can light it and put it out. And
use it as one.
Yeah. Can I see your ID, please?
Yes. That is awesome. I'm sorry.
Look at all the things you got under your arm.
Got stuff everywhere.
No, I want to make sure that it's you and not somebody else.
That's me.
For your protection.
As usual.
Well, you have a temporary.
Yeah. Cause my birthday, what happened is my birthday came and then
with all
we had all this mess going on
with all
and all that other crap.
All the stuff.
So, yeah, man.
All the bullshit. I think everybody's getting a little.
Then I had to wait on them to send the tag in the mail. Then I found out like 4 days ago that it was left there. It got sent back from Atlanta there, so I had to go pick it up.
Okay.
Even though, you know, they extended the thing for, you know, the registrations and all that other crap, but...
Well, they know that when they're all closed, they have to make it...
It's nothing, and then the thing is, I paid for it online.
Okay.
That was the big deal that I got upset about. Like, I'm like, look, I paid for this, like, online, and they're like, oh, we see that, it just got sent back, it got sent to you guys' old address. I was like, oh, okay. Thank you.
Oh, and I'm going to give you this little thing here as a free gift.
Oh, thank you, darling.
Okay. There you go.
I appreciate you. You have a good one, all right? Yeah, I'll be at work, but, you know. I know it. Yeah, so we got it. Now we get ready to head back to Georgia. We in South Cackalack. Yo, boy. See the elephant? The elephant's friggin' awesome. See that? Everybody in the thing know This is South Carolina, baby. It's all good. What? This is America, dude.
Yeah, we got this.
Grenade man!
Grenade bombs!
Yeah!
We got 'em! Blowing shit up!
Yeah! That's what we kind of gonna do a little bit. Babe, she gave us 2 free gifts.
Nuh-uh.
Yes, she did. Look at that.
Oh, that's
Boom!
$7 worth of free.
It's called the volleyball.
Yeah.
Jay, here, put it back there. Babe, that was nice of her. That's why I'm gonna come back. You guys gotta come here. This place is called Fireworks. No, souvenirs and fireworks. Look, see?
Papa Joe's, bro.
Papa Joe's, South Carolina. Papa Joe's. You see it? See, got the cat on there? Boom. That's where we at right there. Look, see? See the highway? This ain't nothing. We just making up. If you guys know where that's at, you need to come check them out with the 2 big elephants. The gray and the pink elephant. Yeah. See, we got another happy customer. Yes. Yeah, this is.
I'm about to watch my show, y'all, so I'm signing off.
Oh, no.
Signing off for the ride. This is his girlfriend.
Who, T.I.?
She's pretty.
Who, T.I. girlfriend?
No. Girl, I didn't quite watch Trey called himself singing. He cannot sing. He said, what can make me? Hey, you got a charger in here?
I got a plug-in port.
A phone charger?
A port. Your phones don't fit mine, remember?
Damn.
I don't carry that, man. I just try to keep my phone charged. Like, see, I had my phone all day, and guess what? My shit on 86%.
My shit on 1%. That's hard.
Oh, if it cuts off, don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. Like,
I want to watch my show.
nah, that's fine. It's not a big deal. Yeah, if you had a wire, you'd be alright. But I know you probably don't. But it's fine.
You got a wire, but I got a whole
It's alright. Yeah, y'all, we get ready to take off right now. We vlogging on today's set. Something interesting gonna happen today, babe. Whenever you vlog, something interesting always just seems to happen. We gotta make that a profession. Oh, that guy's a jerk. He has a Trump sticker in his car. He's a jerk off. Nah, but we can't even say that now because Trump. Hey, yo, we could do the politic thing too, Mon. I meant to tell you. It's different things like you can do now. I never knew that. For certain audiences, that's what they check that out. Like if you wanted to do something about politics, coronavirus, whatever, you know, you select that, and then that's the kind of viewers that view whatever.
What are these peaches they got out there?
Yo, those peaches, oranges, all kinds of ish. And that's some fresh ish. Man, you want a peach? I ain't got no cash.
I got those. I think those oranges.
No, they got oranges, all kind of shit. Look, they got fresh fruits, period, son. Peaches, melons, onions. Whoa, look at that orange Mustang, tangerine. Man, we gonna have us a good time today, y'all. Fuck everything. Shit. We work hard, man. Fuck that shit. But you feel me, son? Like,
I can barely walk right now.
you understand what I'm saying? Shit.
You think it's a game, nigga?
No, I know it ain't shit.
Ridiculous. Got any more?
And this shit ain't over with yet. The summer's here.
Ready with this?
Leave it in there. She said that's like an incense, babe. You can put it in and out. She gave us a free incense. That lady was nice, man. I like her. She's cool. Yeah, I guess so. You spend, between both of us, we probably spent like $80. I guess so, ain't it?
Yeah. It's hard to give a nigga a free gift.
You know, she gave us 2 though, so I respect that. 2 free gifts, you can't knock that at all. I should have
Roll it up
had
just a little bit. Yep.
That's why I wanted the one with the damn sunroof, so I could have just opened up the sunroof. Look at all that layer for sale, baby. Look. Look.
Dang.
We gonna get this updated, baby. It's updated.
What?
Huh? 40 acres in the mule, baby. I want 1,000,000 acres. Get these niggas. can do it, man. We got a pretty cool fan base. We got us. We got the family. They ignorant. People we know real ignorant. We got
You ignorant by yourself.
Huh? Hey, I'm ignorant enough for everybody, yeah. Hurricane season come, good thing we get paid for that. You don't care, that's vacation time for us, ain't it? Hey, babe, that's vacation for us, ain't it?
So, Mama, you'll never leave when her.
You should leave with us, Mo. You gonna leave with us next time?
I do.
You gonna leave with us next time?
Yeah,
We had fun. We had fun at everybody. We ain't did nothing.
The first time we went to Macon, the second time we went to
Nah, we was in Virginia, so Virginia is popping. Virginia's nice.
what's the name? Fayetteville.
Look at them, they rich. Look, cropping, look. Cornfields, son.
That's not too big. I hate when cornfields be super big.
Right, the children of the corn, right?
Oh my God, I couldn't live like that.
Yeah. Christmas trees, look, they got their own Christmas trees.
Oh, the Christmas trees
Yeah,
sell.
Christmas trees, bro, you playing.
Shit
They
sell.
growing now, but by the winter time, man, shelter.
And they grow fast.
Well, them people come over here with their saws and axes. Game over.
Them Christmas trees?
Yeah, them Christmas trees. They grow.
That's a Christmas tree.
It smells so good. Oh my gosh, like you just have to pay the owner.
I don't like the wheels in the pine.
No, that's a good smell, man. Hey, like on real, it smells so good, like.
It's too strong to me.
But that's one of them air fresheners that never die, like never.
I be loving these little trees though. Them things be smelling so good.
They don't last.
They don't last, but when you first put them in the car, them things be smelling
Babe,
so
look.
good.
That's where you go to shoot the machine guns at. Yes, sir. That's it. Yeah.
My aunt staying leaving. She got a big house. But I heard she got all time of real bad now.
Kids on the house, the property now, something, right? Man, these people out here at peace. You hear what I'm telling you? They ain't gotta worry about nothing except for going to a hospital, going to the grocery store. Some of them kill their animals. They got cows and stuff right in their backyard.
So,
I'm serious. They be smoking them. They got smoke houses and all kind of shit. You said, child, where you think all that Walmart meat and all that stuff? That's where that stuff come from. That's how these people be getting rich like that.
yeah, somebody gotta do it.
Oh,
I know that. It just ain't about to be theatrics. I always wanted to know how to skin an animal and gut it.
Listen to me. Listen to me, y'all. This gonna sound crazy.
You crazy. You want to learn that? Yeah.
No, but listen to this. If you see some of them checks, you'll change your life. You be like, y'all see my check I got for skinning 3 cows? Y'all tripping.
Get that motherfucker.
Get it? I only skinned 3 this week and already at 75 grand. Let's get it. How many people you can feed on 1 cow? You tripping.
Yeah, that's my steak.
Tripping, bro. We in the South, boy. That's a delicacy.
Steak is so overrated.
No, it's not. Steak is awesome. Love steak a lot.
I don't. I used to love steak and potatoes. I mean, I eat it, but it's not no big thing to me.
That's just like lobster, babe. That's a delicacy too, you know?
I wouldn't mind some steak and baked potatoes, not mashed potatoes.
Of course. That's how you really
sour
eat it.
cream and the bacon to go on
Yeah.
top, and the chives,
That's how you set it off.
and the shredded cheese.
Grilled onions.
I might make that one night.
Grilled onions too. Babe, I'm telling you, you could stand in your kitchen, cook some food, and show people from A to B how you prepare the food. Before and after, how it cooked.
Mama
Man,
don't do it.
please.
Funny Life Mama.
Man, people getting paid, man.
This lady named B Loves that be on the internet. She do it.
I'm trying to tell you. Don't worry, wait till I get that GoPro going down. You gonna be in there cooking it up, thinking you in there alone, baby. I'm gonna make you rich in one video. You gonna be in there and talk, you know, you gonna be jamming in your music, baby. Look, you gonna be thinking you're just making us dinner. You gonna be like, so babe, well, you got all this to watch. Then you gonna get hooked. Want to cook up and do something else. Don't you? It's the wave, babe. I'm trying to tell you. Getting paid for doing things that people do for free makes no sense anymore.
I ain't gonna lie, it is a wave, man.
That's the wave, man. I'm telling you. And it's legal. That's what's great about the whole situation. Like, everything you do in life, people want to see. You know what I'm saying? They got videos, babe, showing people how to set up tents, how to change tires, how to change oil on cars, all kinds of stuff. Quick little 5-10 minute videos. These jokers getting paid. Road trips is hot as woods, you know what I mean? You hear me? Oh shit, I took the wrong turn.